We're back after last week's epic journey through the snow in our RV, our heartbreaking loss, and the cattle branding. This week, we're diving right into the adrenaline-pumping world of whitewater adventure with our 130 horsepower mini jet boat. Hello there, fellow thrill seekers. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey into the heart of nature's fury, steering our mini jet boat through some of the most challenging rapids out there. Buckle up, because navigating these treacherous waters is no easy feat. The risks and difficulties of maneuvering a small boat like ours through the turbulent whitewater rapids are as real as they come. It's a test of skill and courage like no other. for itself already.
I see all of your cameras now have tethers.
And floaties.
Is a $400 lesson?
As we wrap up this wild ride, let's take a moment to reflect on the unforgettable highlights of our mini jet boat's performance and that unexpected camera fall. The thrill, the excitement, and the sheer rush of this adventure are truly unmatched. What a ride! Did this epic whitewater adventure leave you wanting more? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the latest and greatest and thrilling water escapades. Stay tuned for more heart-pounding action coming your way. That was Bowden the Thompson, I guess we would say. Now we're stuck here. Who knows how long? We're waiting on trains. There's one blocking away, it moved, another one took its place, so who knows what's going to take place. See you on the next one.